Welcome back to Engine Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have 8 amazing windshield car hacks that you are gonna want to know. All right, let's say it's cold and it's wintry and you cannot quite clear your windshield because the ice is so caked on. The one thing that you're gonna wanna do is grab yourself, I would suggest, a microfiber towel, a little rubbing alcohol. You can also use vinegar, but I think the rubbing alcohol works better. And you're gonna spray that on your cloth right here. You could spray it directly on your windshield to help that ice melt away much faster so that you can be on your way. Number 2, don't have a scraper handy, just grab yourself an old spatula and this will do the trick of clearing that windshield of any ice, debris, bugs, anything stuck up on there. This works amazing. Speaking of stuck on bugs or anything, get yourself just a handy dandy razor and go to town on that windshield. Any salt stuck up on there that you can't get off in the car wash or by yourself. Foggy interior windows. What happens, the heat and the chemicals and the material on this starts to get absorbed in your windshield. So just get yourself a magic eraser. This is made of melamine foam and that's why it works so well. And you're gonna go across your windshield just like this whenever you notice that there's a film caking on your windshield. Do you need to park your vehicle outside and you don't want your windshield wiper blades stuck to your windshield? Just get yourself some old socks, put them on your blades like this overnight, and then the next day that you come in to drive your car away, you'll be able to leave much more quickly because of this simple trick right here. Having a tough time even getting inside of your vehicle because your door is frozen shut or the lock is frozen shut, all you need to do is take some hand sanitizer, get it in the frozen areas, and like we talked about before, the alcohol will help the ice melt and get you on your way. Number 7, windshield hack. Before we move on to one of my favorites right here, maybe you can't even get in your car so that you can scrape the inside of your windshield right here. Get yourself a straw and you're gonna blow into the straw. And the heat from your breath will help melt that ice away. And number 8, if you're having a difficult time getting in your car so that you can even defrost your windshield, get your key, heat it up a bit here. If your breath is not enough, stick that in the lock and that will help melt the ice faster. YouTube thinks that you are gonna wanna watch this video next on screen. Click it and let's see if they're right. Or if you're looking for some awesome and clever shaving cream hacks, click this video right here, give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.